What's going on, guys? Dre 17 Cards back with another video. This time I stopped in to the store today and picked up the 2026 Topps Flagship Football Mega Box here. We'll be looking for exclusive retail inserts and parallels, as well as autographs and relic cards. We got a large pack opening today, 180 cards, 12 cards per 12 cards per box, 15 cards per pack. Be cool to get Fernando Mendoza. That'd be a pretty cool hit. And then any Bills and Josh Allen's are always welcomed. Let's see. Let's get right into it. One more thing, you guys don't have to be worried about me missing or not getting hyped over an Ohtani pull, because Ohtani shouldn't be in this pack. But anyway, let's see what it looks like. That's the inside of the box. And here we go, first pack. We got a Facial Titan, a Brock Bowers, Jonathan Grenard, Travis Etienne Jr., Dallas Goedert, Trey Harris III, a Jalen Walker. Here's a Seattle Seahawks card there. We have a Future Stars Jackson Dart, a Tucker Kraft, Rashawn Gary, a Monroe Freeland, Chris McClellan, I don't know, sorry. Kobe Young, and a Jonathan Taylor Topps 35th anniversary. I will probably mess up lots of names in this video. Got a Byron Young, a Casey's Finest, a three receivers here, the Puka Nacua, Trey McBride, and JSN, Lamar Jackson, Ramondre Stevenson, Josh Downs, Sam Darnold, Atlanta Falcons there, Rev It Up, Motor City Dancing. Some cool photos here. Sauce Gardner, Malik Neighbors. I think I saw him at LSU once. Colin Hood, Anthony Hill Jr., Lewis Bond, and a Eli Stowers 35th anniversary. Lots of cards here. Jalen Hurts, Cortland Sutton, Micah Parsons, Matabuki, I don't know, Jacory, Derrick Henry, Terry McLaurin, Scary Terry, Christian McCaffrey, Michael Pittman Jr., Alec Ayomanor, I don't know, Malachi Lawrence, Akeem Messidor, Bryce Lance, Ooh. Okay, Chris McClellan. Sure. New, ooh, look at that. New, saying his name earlier was going to be a good one. And then a Profiles by Kyle Brandt JSN card here. It's pretty cool cards there. Let's see. Trey Hendrickson. Ooh, Buffalo Bills. Let's go. That was the game they lost. Hopefully they can win the next time they wear those. Ooh, Keon Coleman. Another Bills. Justice Hill. Fred Warner. DJ Moore. Look at that Bills uni on him. Yeah, he's been looking good with Josh Allen. Chris Jones. Jamar Gibbs. Talon Noah. I don't know. Sorry. RJ Harvey. Skylar Bell. Promising rookie for the Bills. Chris Bell. Jeremiah Love. Ooh, fancy Bryce Young card here. 35th anniversary. Got some shine to it. And a CJ Stroud big ticket player. Pretty cool cards there. I'll be sleeving up all the inserts after the video. JSN. Dalton Kincaid, Buffalo Bill. Adonai Mitchell. Mason Graham. The AFC sack leaders. Or, no. Maybe. AFC leaders. Yeah, sack leaders. Cameron Jordan. Trey McBride. JJ McCarthy. Kayvon Thibodeau. America's duo for the Cowboys there. Milton Williams. Drew Aller. Logan Jones. Kellen Black. And a Drake May 35th anniversary in the red unis. Okay, let's see. Mark Andrews, TJ Watt, Tez Johnson, Daniel Jones, Jamar Chase, Danielle Hunter, Bengals Shred, Mike Evans in the 49ers uni, Patrick Mahomes, Nick Bosa, TJ Parker, Josh Cameron, CJ Williams, and a Malachi Fields 35th anniversary. Halfway there. If you're still watching, thank you. Trey McBride again. JJ McCarthy. Jamar Chase. Danielle Hunter. Jaden Reed. Emeka Mbuka. Ooh, future stars there. Detroit Lions. Chicago Bears. Geno Smith. George Pickens. Jonah Coleman, rookie. Carson Beck. Malachi Lemon. Got a Nico Collins. Look at that. Nice color to it. And a Traylon Burks greatest hits. It's pretty cool cards. Okay, so Jonathan Taylor, Bengals Shred, Javonte Williams, Dexter Lawrence. Got the NFC pass leaders. Chris Olave, Chase Young, Chuck Robinson, Kenneth Walker, let's see, Cam Skadaboo, Future Stars, got a Omar Cooper Jr., Deshaun Striblin, Keldrick Folk, Jackson Dart. That's a pretty nice looking insert there, and another 2025 All Tops team, Drake May. Jaden Daniels, also saw him play at LSU. Very impressive. Michael Penix Jr., Kobe Bryant, Jalen Waddle, Jared Goff, Walker, Khalil Shakir, great player. Byron Murphy, Travis Kelce, Dylan Gabriel. Who knows what's going to happen with him. Chris Johnson, second. Caden Wetjen. That's an interesting name. Let's throw that back over here. I should say his last name, Terrell. And got a Aiden Hutchinson. Another nice looking sparkle to those. And a Jordan Love, 35th anniversary. Let's see. 3 more packs. Almost there. Jimmy Horn, Calvin Ridley, the Dog Pound, roof roof, Montez Sweat, Jordan Mason, Christian Gonzalez, Harold Fannin Jr., Max Crosby, Quentin Nelson, Kamari Lester, Seth McGowan, Anthony Smith, Brian Martin. Have another Deebo Samuel insert, and then a Drew Aller 35th anniversary. Some neat looking cards here. 2 more. Got the AFC receiving leaders. Javonde Sweat. James Conner, sorry. Penny Sewell, Ollie Gordon, Cameron Dicker, Junkins there, Tua Tagovailoa on the Falcons, Double J's, Jordan Love, Josh Jacobs, Michael Wilson, Sonny Styles, Deion Burks, Carnell Tate, got a Malachi Lamone, and a big ticket player, Joe Burrow. Okay, last pack here. Please be Josh Allen. Let's see. Joe Alt, Spencer Rattler, Jalen Carter, got Dak Prescott, George Kittle, Chase Brown, got the NFC rushing leaders, got a Willie Campbell, a Quentin Johnson, Juwan Johnson, Nick Singleton, Cole Payton, Ruben Bain Jr., Caleb Williams, and the last one is another Caleb Williams. 2 Caleb Williams to end it there. Greatest hits and just the 35th anniversary. Yeah, there's been some nice pulls here. Probably not my favorite product to open, but it was definitely fun ripping some packs. Got a bunch of Bills. I would say most of them were from the one pack, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.